Yo me llamo Daniel Zaragoza, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to do a Día de los Muertos inspired look. So first off, I'm going to use eyeshadow primer all over my face because sometimes the details do not stick onto your face without primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a brush and just put this on all over my skin. Okay, now that I evenly put on some primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use foundation and also add more color to my skin. I'm gonna even out the whole tone of my complexion so I have a blank canvas to work with. So once you have a pretty even look to your foundation and your complexion, you can start etching out the skull. All right, now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and etch the skull with a eyebrow pencil. When you're etching out the skull, you don't have to be too perfect. Mine's almost gonna look like a distressed, kind of broken skull. So now what I'm doing is just adding a little bit more of a whiter base to the skull. And then I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow and blend in kind of like what a old script would look like that's like lightly burned. So I'm gonna kind of create that effect to the skull. Okay, so now I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner and make a cracked look to the skull. Now I'm gonna use a pencil and just add a little bit more of the black and just in the darker corners. All right, now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of gold to certain pieces of the skeleton look. So lo que voy a hacer ya, en lugar de ponerme dientes, me voy a hacer un mustache. So lo que estoy usando es un lápiz para las cejas, para darte la ilusión de pelo de verdad. Ahora lo que voy a hacer es limpiar el bigote. Para dar la ilusión de un bigote de verdad, voy a usar el maquillaje que estaba usando primeramente con una brocha angleada y voy a ir abajo del vello para que se mire más real. Ahora me voy a poner mi sombrero y listos. Este es mi look para el Día de los Muertos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching it and have fun.